Buying a used car can save you thousands of dollars, or it can become the biggest financial mistake you ever make. In today's video, we're counting down 10 used cars you should think twice about before buying. Number 10. BMW 7 Series. Starting our list is the BMW 7 Series. There's no doubt it's luxurious, powerful, and packed with technology, but that's also what makes it risky to buy used. Why you should be careful. As these cars age, advanced electronics, air suspension, cooling systems, and turbocharged engines can become expensive to repair. Even a relatively small fault may require specialized parts and labor. Who should buy it? Only buyers with a healthy maintenance budget and a complete service history. Number 9. Range Rover. Few SUVs are as capable or luxurious as the Range Rover. Unfortunately, older models have developed a reputation for costly repairs. Common concerns: air suspension failures, electrical problems, cooling system issues, high repair costs. A well-maintained Range Rover can still be enjoyable, but buying one without detailed maintenance records is a major risk. Number 8. Mini Cooper Turbo Models. The Mini Cooper is stylish and fun to drive, but some turbocharged models have experienced timing chain issues, oil leaks, and cooling system failures. Repair costs can climb quickly if previous owners skip maintenance. Number 7. Audi A8. The Audi A8 offers incredible comfort and technology, but those same features can become expensive as the car ages. Air suspension, complex electronics, and premium replacement parts make ownership costly if problems develop. Number 6. Jeep Grand Cherokee, certain model years. The Grand Cherokee is a capable SUV, but some model years have experienced transmission problems, electrical faults, and suspension issues. Always research the specific year you're considering, instead of assuming every Grand Cherokee has the same reliability. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The S-Class showcases some of the best automotive engineering in the world. However, when it's 10 or 15 years old, maintaining features like air suspension, advanced driver assistance systems, and luxury electronics can become very expensive. Number 4. Nissan Altima, certain CVT models. The Nissan Altima is comfortable and practical, but some model years equipped with continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs, have been associated with transmission reliability concerns. Before buying, check whether the transmission has been serviced regularly and research the reliability of the exact model year. Number 3. Ford Focus. The Ford Focus is generally a good car, but certain models equipped with a PowerShift dual-clutch automatic transmission develop well-documented transmission problems. Symptoms reported by many owners included shuddering, hesitation, and premature transmission wear. If you're considering a used Focus, verify which transmission it has. Number 2. Chrysler 200. The Chrysler 200 offered stylish looks and a comfortable cabin, but reliability has been inconsistent across some model years. Owners have reported issues involving the transmission, electrical systems, and engine components. Number 1. Used luxury cars with unknown service history. Taking the number 1 spot isn't just one car. It's any luxury vehicle with no documented maintenance history. Whether it's a BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Jaguar, or another premium brand, skipping scheduled maintenance can create expensive problems that the next owner ends up paying for. Before buying any used car, always inspect it carefully. Check its service records, and if possible, have it evaluated by an independent mechanic. Spending a little before you buy can save you a lot later. Which used car would you avoid? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Best Drive, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.